Canadian Caregiver Pilot Program 2025. With this program, you can get your immediate PR in Canada. This video will be one of the most detailed video you will ever come across about this Canadian Caregiver program. The Canadian Immigration Minister mentioned and announced last year that there is going to be a new pathway for caregivers that is going to give them PR on arrival. And guess what? The opportunity is right here, right now. Aren't you excited about this opportunity? This caregiver pathway is open and available to all international countries. Wherever you are, you can benefit from this opportunity. What are the requirements? The very first thing you'll be needing is your high school diploma certificate. If you don't know what that means, it can be your WAEC, your GCE, your NECO, or whatsoever. Depends on your own country. The second thing you are going to be needing is your level 4 English or French. The third thing you'll be needing is job offer, and that is where I come in. Why I said that is where I come in is because you can have all these documents and end up not having a job offer, and job offer is the most important. You don't want to miss every step I'm going to be sharing with you in this video that is going to help you to get a caregiver job that is going to give you a PR on arrival. If you are seeing my face for the very first time, you're welcome. My name is Mimi, and on this platform I share updates about visa sponsorship jobs in the UK, in the USA, Canada, and other countries. If you are looking for a platform where you can get solid updates about visa sponsorship, scholarship, educational content, then go ahead to connect with me on this platform by hitting the subscribe button. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends, and guys, without wasting much of our time, while we are here, let's dive right in. Care is one of the platforms I'll be sharing with you. You can see I'm going to be sharing with you the guide and how you can navigate this to get a job in Canada. People that use this platform daily are over 600,000 people. And if you are a caregiver, you can use this website to get a job. And people who are looking for caregivers as well use this same platform to get caregivers to work for them in Canada. So you are rest assured that you can easily get an employer on this platform. You can read through the website and see everything that requires all the steps. You can go through that yourself after this video, but don't worry, I'm going to be taking you to all those guys on my screen. Just make sure you get to know how you can navigate the screen first and how you can get a job on that platform before you go ahead to actualize it, because you don't want to miss any step. So now, once you are able to go through all these things, the next thing you want to do, click on the 3 lines up there. If you click on the 3 lines up there, you are going to see all the steps there. And one thing that we are concerned about is get started. You don't have a login account yet, so click on get started on your screen. Once you click on get started over there, you can see all the other things there. Get an elderly care job. Once you click on get started, it will bring you down to this section. I am looking for elder care jobs. I am looking for elder care providers. You are looking for a job. You are not looking for providers. So click on I am looking for elderly care jobs. Once you click on it, next thing, click on next. That's the next thing you should do. People that are looking for caregivers will be the one to click on the second one. Pick your country. I'm in UK, so I'm going to be picking United Kingdom. Once you pick the country you are, the next thing you need to do, click on next. Right? You can see this video is well detailed, so make sure you just follow through step by step, just like so. Click on next. Once you click on next, it will bring you down to the section where you are going to input your email address. If you are going to be using your email address, make sure you are putting a correct and active email address, because that's what they will be reaching you on. Click on receive news messages notification and click on next. Once you click on next, it will bring you down to this section where you are going to be inputting your first name, your second name, your last name, and whatsoever. Put your name correctly on that platform. Once you put your name correctly, click on next, and it's going to take you to the next section, just like that. Once it takes you to the next section, make sure that you cross check and everything is correct. On the next section, you're going to be putting your password. Please and please, the password you're going to be putting, make sure it has combination of numbers and letters. Right? Once you put your password, click on next, and it will bring you to the next section. This next section now, the country is asking you for is the country you want to work in. You are looking for a job in, not the country where you stay. On this section now, you'll be putting the country you want to work in. So we are going to be picking Canada because that's where we want to go in it, right? click on it and click on Canada. Once you click on Canada, you are going to be picking the landmark you want to look for job in Canada. I will advise you to pick rural areas. Rural areas in Canada, that is the best idea. That is where you can easily get fast jobs and relocation down to Canada. So I'm going to be using this particular area in Canada, right? Once you put your area in Canada, you can use it any area and you can change it to see different opportunities in different area. Once you put that in, the next thing you have to do, click on next. Once you click on it will bring you to this section and ask you, do you require a work sponsorship? Are you an overseas applicant requiring sponsorship by a family? Yes, I'll be yes, no. Yes, so you click on yes. The next thing, you click on next. Once you click on it will bring you to the section that you should select all that applies. What are the services you want to be offering? So I'm going to be picking personal care, administrative medication, bathing. You can pick nursing care, CPR as well if you are looking for that opportunity. So next thing I'm going to be clicking on is what sort of elderly care do you offer? Companion, home care. Just pick companion and home care there. You can pick whatever one that best fits for you. Me, I'm just picking the one that it's okay for me. The next one, you are going to pick in how you want to work, if it's live in or live out. Then you pick your availability, if you want to work full-time or part-time. Once you pick that, I will advise that you cross-check again to see what you've ticked is well corrected and is what you like. Once you are done cross-checking, then go ahead to click on next. Once you click on next, it will bring you to this next section where you're going to be putting the amount you want to get paid per hour. So for me, I'm going to be putting 18 pounds, right? Even it's going to still change to dollar. It's still going to change to dollar anyways. So I'm going to put in 18 pound there. You can put anything from 15 pound upward, but 15 have to be the minimum, right? As you can see there, you click on next. Once you click on next, you add a profile picture to your account, so any person that is looking for caregiver can easily see your face. For me, I'm not going to be putting any picture because I'm just using this to as an example for you guys on how you can apply. So I'll just click on, I will do this later, but if you know that you want to look for job, please put your profile picture there, right? Once you are done doing that, then you click on next. Once you click on next, it's going to rotate and look for opportunity in the area you've picked right on that map. So now it's going to bring you to this section where you're going, it has already given you breakdown on what you want to do safe already. So what you just need to do is just to highlight it, delete some things and put what should families know about you. This right here is where you're going to be editing things like a cover letter or a supporting statement. That's where the second part is, that place that is written introduce your work. That is where it is. Please bombard them with all these big ink. Let them know that you know what you want to do, how you to care for people, all those things you've done in your role, what you are willing to do, how you are willing to care for that person. Put everything there. So for that, state who you are and what you are offering. I just went ahead to edit some of it. So I put in professional healthcare assistant, well trained and experienced elder care provider. So I just removed the Yellowhead County and whatsoever, right? I just removed that out of it. Then I went ahead to edit it to what I want. So this section now is what somebody that is looking for a caregiver is going to see. So make sure that whatever you are writing in that section is something that if you are the one looking for a caregiver, if you see it, you'll be impressed to message that person. So that's what that page is all about. This part that describe what you do and why you are the best. You see, they say why you are the best, why they should pick you among thousands of other people. This is where you are going to do what I called power supporting statement, write everything that is entailed in that platform. Me, I'm not going to be doing too much, right? Because I'm only doing this to explain to you guys on how you can apply. And I still have other platforms to show you guys aside this. So all you just need to do in this section is just to write like a supporting statement or a cover letter, why you are a good fit for that role, why they should hire you. Tell them where you are. I'm in Ghana, I'm in Nigeria, I'm in South Africa, and I am willing to relocate down to Canada. Let them know that you are not in Canada. So if they will employ you, they will provide you with all the documentation and to process your visa down to Canada if you need one. You will see on your screen just the way I've edited it like a little. You can do more than that. May I just like do a little bit of touching on those things. So because I let them know that I'm currently residing in Nigeria and I don't mind relocating down to Canada to work. So they will know that I'm in need of that sponsorship really. You understand? So just put all those things there. Tell them how you've cared for people before, how you love to care for people, do some skills that you have, let them know all those things. So once you are able to put all those things in there, cross check everything you've written, make sure they are well corrected. If you are not sure, you can use ChatGPT to give you some heads up on that. Once you are done with that, scroll up. You can see how everything is written on that section, and you can read through. And they said check your spelling, your grammar, for you to be sure and that everything you've written is well correct and you are ready to go to the next stage. For this heading now, I think I had seen the numbers of the words I have to have in that section. So I went up to correct that. Then if you are done with everything, click on next. Once you click on next, it will bring you to this section that choose a plan. On this platform, you can make payments to get jobs. But for me, I'll just pick the limited. The limited, they can allow you to see 2 jobs per day or 2 jobs in 24 hours. You understand? So I just picked that limited, though, that is £0. You are not paying any amount for that. I just picked that £0, £0 for the limited one. So if you pick the ones that you can pay, it can easily show you latest jobs, like it's plenty ones, and it can even make you to have access to call people, like people that are looking for carers. It will give you access to call them. So once you are able to just do all those things, it will bring you down to this section where you can see latest jobs. So for this limited, I can only see 2 jobs. You can see this particular one, Joby Edson, the area that the person is. They are looking for somebody to care for this person, and they don't even look for experience. They say no experience needed itself. So they are looking for living caregiver needed. We are looking for a caregiver to take care of my wife while I'm at work. We live in the country. We need someone that is okay with dogs and cats that we own and all that. So this is the second person. This one too is Shaunahar, elderly care provider wanted. They are paying $20 per hour. This person is living in family home environment. I'm Shauna and looking for an experienced elder care provider to take care of my family in Edson. The role is part-time and leave out. The successful applicant will provide personal care to my family member. Duty will be included and all that. I'm sure with that explanation, you should understand how to navigate that website to get jobs for yourself. I'm going to be taking you to the next website I'm going to be sharing with. This next platform is called Caregiver.Jobs.ca. They say they assist nannies and caregivers from around the world find employment in Canada. It's not easy to find a job as an international caregiver in Canada, but our service will make it as simple as possible. What do I need in order to get a care work in Canada? As a foreign caregiver, you can just read through this website to know everything you need to know about this job. You can see all these things. I make sure all these things are well detailed and well explained to you. Caregiver in Canada, you need a permit to work in Canada, as we all know. So that is why we are looking for sponsorship job in Canada that we can easily apply for. So you can navigate this website to get a job in Canada as well, and just go through the website. I'm sure you will find something on that platform. You can easily get a live-in care program or live-out job. This next website I will be sharing with you is this Government of Canada website. These websites as well, I'm sure they have loads of job on this website. You can see 107,000 and thereabout jobs posting from Canada on that platform. This platform, if you want to apply for a job, just scroll up, come to these resources made for you. You will see young Canadians, newcomers to Canada, temporary foreign workers, Canada Armed Forces, indigenous, foreign candidates from outside Canada. That's what we are looking for. Foreign candidates from outside Canada. Just click on it. Once you click on it, navigate the website and get a job. This next website is Indeed. This one, all you need to do, type the job there in that search button, caregiver sponsorship. just type it in that section. Then this next section that it says city, province, or more, just cancel this sign in. Click on this province. You can put any province there. And like I said, I advise that you put cities that are not really, really bubbling in Canada, like rural areas. That's what you should put. So it should be easy for you to quickly get an offer. So I just put Toronto there because that's what comes up first. You can easily put any country, any city. So you can see all the jobs that are available in Toronto. This one is live-in personal support worker in Canada. This particular one too is available there. There's another one, weekend live-in, another one. So let me quickly show you this next website. This next website is called Nigeria Caregivers and Personal Limited. Your situation is unique and individual to you. Our goal is to help you get clinical. You see the website, Sha. This website, they have been in place since 1988. So for you to know that they are legit, like they are odogus, click on the three lines. Once you click on three line, click on caregiver program. You can see all the roles there. You can see employment opportunity. You will see home child care provider, personal support worker, caregiver opportunity, daily child care. Just navigate the website. You will see lots and lot of updates on that platform. Seriously, you will see lot of updates. Just navigate the website, go through it. I'm sure one way or the other you will find your way around it and get a job. How to apply for a job on those platforms. I don't want this video to be too long, so that's why I'm not going to be going a lot further. I'm sure at this point you already know how to apply. If you are looking for other links to those websites, you can check the description box of this video to check the website there and copy the link there to go and apply. Don't forget to share this video with your friends to WhatsApp group. Let them benefit from this opportunity as well. You can as well connect with me on Instagram because I share latest visa sponsorship jobs on my Instagram story and on my page that can help you to keep yourself updated all the time about visa sponsorship jobs. I know there are so many challenges, there are so many obstacles that we are going to encounter in life. And don't forget to keep yourself motivated, keep that positive mind, stay beautiful, keep smiling, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.